Did you know malaria is able to evade your immune system? If not, I'll be explaining how. Now, just to set the scene. Malaria, what it does is it infects red blood cells. Once inside, the malaria parasite then creates proteins, some of which including riffins and EMP1, and transports them all the way from the parasite to the red blood cell surface. This is important for later. Now, one important definition is antigen. Now, an antigen is a toxin or any foreign substance that your immune system recognizes to trigger an immune response. One example being proteins on the cell surface. Antigens are similar to how, if you've ever played any video games, how your enemies are marked with a red name. Now, onto the topic. One way malaria evades the immune system is through forming rosettes. This is a process where the infected red blood cell attaches to a bunch of healthy red blood cells. This allows malaria to evade the immune system as its surface proteins are no longer visible. As a result, the immune system doesn't detect anything wrong. It doesn't see any foreign antigens. As a result, it sees everything as all good, allowing malaria to stay unharmed and allowing it to continue spreading. This process would be like someone evading captures by blending into a crowd, except in this case, the person's attached to the crowd. Another way it evades the immune system is through something called molecular mimicry. Riffins, a type of malaria's surface protein, are able to alter their shape to match that of a native antigen. These are able to bind to cells in the immune system and basically tell the immune system that they're also native to the body and don't mean any harm. As a result, the immune system believes that this is a native cell and doesn't destroy it. If you remember my analogy earlier about game characters when I explained antigens, this is essentially like the enemies also being marked as blue. Another way a malaria evades the immune system is through a process known as sequestration. This is a process where infected red blood cells attach to the walls of blood vessels. This results in them not reaching the spleen, as they aren't flowing down the blood vessel anymore. This means the spleen is unable to clear it. Lastly, we'll discuss antigenic variants. This is essentially where the parasite surface proteins are able to alter their structure. This makes it harder for cells of the immune system to bind to the infected red blood cells, recognize them as foreign, and begin an immune response. This is like a criminal evading arrest by regularly changing their look, making it harder for authorities to recognize them. Alright, so those are the different ways that malaria can invade the immune system. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you found this interesting. Please like and subscribe for more.